Good afternoon, Dr. Buhaida. My name is Stanley Ying, and my metric number is AP170396. This is a video for step 7, which is performing spatial joins. For the first, I have downloaded the data from here, these two zip files. And first I open the QGIS and I need to locate the data that I have downloaded just now. And then I open the second data. To examine the attributes available for each figure, I need to open the attribute table. So I right click and I click on open attribute table. I notice that the attribute called rating B, which has value in the range 0 until 10, is representing the strict segments rating. The attribute rating word has descriptive the rating. We can use the rating B field to calculate the average rating. I also noticed that some figures have a rating of NR. These are the segments that were not rated. Including them in our analysis will not be correct. Before we do the spatial join, let's set up a filter to exclude this record. So I right click and I click filter. In the query builder, type the following expression to select all records that are not rated NR. You can also build the expression interactively by clicking on View, Operator, and selecting the appropriate value. So I click rating word, then I click operator. After that, I click OK. I notice that the layer now has a filter icon. It's indicating that there is an active filter applied to this layer. Now we can do a spatial join using this layer. So I go to processing and I click on toolbox. Search and locate the vector general. And I search for join attribute by location summary algorithm. In the join attribute by location summary dialog, select NYDB as the input layer. And then the strict layer, I select .v SSS segment rating will be the join layer. You can leave the geometric predicate to the default intersect. Then I click on the ... button next to the view summarize. Then I select the rating B. Then I click OK. Similarly, click the button next to the summarize to calculate. I select the mean as the summary operator and then I click OK. Now we are ready to start the processing, so I click Run. The processing algorithm will walk through the figure and apply the spatial join. Verify that the processing job was successful and I click Close. Back in the main QGIS window, I see a new joint layer add to the canvas. I open the attribute table for this layer. I see a new column which is rating means is added to the input layer with the average rating of all streets that are intersecting with that feature. Now we can perform a reverse operation. Sometimes your analysis requires getting attributes from another layer based on the spatial relationship but not compute any summary. We can use the join attribute by location algorithm for such analysis. The task is to add the name of the borough to each figure in the streets layer based on which borough polygon it intersects with. Before we run this algorithm, let's remove the filter from .v SSS simulating layer. So I click on the filter icon and place the clear in the query builder. Then I click OK. Then the filter icon is disappear. Turn off the join layer in the layer panel. Find the vector general. Then I find the join attribute by location in the processing toolbar. Then double click it. Select the .vsss segment rating as the input layer and NYBB as the join layer. You can leave the geometric predicate to default intersect and click the button next to the field and select borough name. Then I click OK. The line segment may cross a borough boundary, so we choose the join type as create separate figure for each located figure, one to many. Then I click Run. Once the processing finish, open the attribute table of the newly added join layer. You will see that there is a new borrow name. You will see the new borrow name attribute is added to its strict future. So this is the video for the step 7, which is performing spatial joins. Thank you.